The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 is one of the most striking foldables on the market, and it deserves a case that complements its premium design without adding bulk. The Pitaka Classic Ultra Slim case delivers exactly that, a feather-light yet remarkably durable accessory that enhances style while offering essential everyday protection. Crafted from aerospace-grade aramid fiber, the classic case combines exceptional strength with minimalist refinement. Aramid is 5 times stronger than steel while weighing just a fifth as much, giving the case an impressive strength-to-weight ratio. At only 1 millimeter thick and 15 Gs in weight, the case maintains the Flip 7's sleek profile, making it feel almost bare while still protected. The premium weave creates a silky smooth texture that is skin-friendly, non-slip, and pleasant to hold. Its matte finish resists scratches and discoloration, ensuring long-term durability without sacrificing aesthetics. Despite its ultra-slim build, the Pitaka Classic case is MagSafe compatible and fully supports wireless charging, a rare advantage for foldable phone cases. The precision cutouts align perfectly with the Flip 7's design, ensuring unhindered access to buttons, ports, and hinge functionality. This makes the case ideal for users who value both form and function, blending minimalist design with practical convenience. The Pitaka Classic Ultra Slim case for Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 is more than just a phone cover, it's a statement of minimalist luxury. Combining aerospace-grade materials, MagSafe compatibility, and an elegant slim profile, it's the perfect match for Flip 7 owners who want premium protection without compromising on design.